Skateboards revel in the joys of easy gliding, masterful hints, and boundless creativity on a swish board designed for the daring. Embrace the freedom of the streets and allow your passion for skating to carve your path to countless adventures. There are many products available to choose from Met roller skateboards, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Met roller skateboards from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Retrospect Quip Mini Cruiser Skateboard. About this item, Quip Cruiser. It's smooth sailing with small kicktail and mounded waffle pattern for a solid hold on every twist, turn, and last-minute dodge you encounter. Our newest edition comes with 5 trucks for more control, balance, and enhanced maneuverability. All that nerve and more can fit right inside your backpack. Small, but mighty. Cruise confidently knowing that your board is constructed from 22.5x6 or 27x6 injection-mounted highly flexible plastic. Engineered to fit with how you move, not define it. Featuring soft wheels perfect for soaking up all those street bumps and sidewalk cracks, all while giving you the smooth ride you expect from Retrospect. Faster than ever, the ultra-smooth gliding polyurethane cast wheels enhance durability and comfort while you zip around town. Lightweight ABEC 7 high-speed carbon bearings add to Quip's nimble nature. Fully ready to ride. Hopping on your new Quip for a ride has never been easier. It comes fully assembled and ready to ride. All you have to do is get going. Lightweight and portable, Quip can fit anywhere, literally. Weighing in at less than 5 pounds, you can toss it in your backpack, trunk, locker, or closet without missing a beat. Recommended weight limit, 220 lbs. Number 2. Cruiser and Pintail Longboard Skateboard. About this item, made by skaters, all of our boards are inspired by our location in Southern California, the birthplace of longboarding. We carefully created the Pintail collection with high-quality materials to give you the best possible skating experience. Classic and clean design, these longboards are surf-inspired and are made for cruising and carving. The longboards are finished with a clear sand grit finish to show off the beauty of the longboard deck while still providing good traction. Classic pintail shape. The classic shape is as traditional as it gets. Feel the freedom to cruise and carve with this board. Quality wheels, 70mm Shore 78A wheels means your board is designed from the ground up for an ideal cruising experience. This Magneto Longboard Cruiser board rides smooth on a variety of different surfaces because of the soft wheels. All experience levels welcome this board. Is easy to ride whether you're a beginner, you own several boards already, or if you are returning to the sport. It's the perfect accessory or alternative for many outdoor activities or methods of transportation. Take it to the park, the beach, traveling, camping, the bike path, pump track, you name it. Or maybe you're tired of your bicycle or skates. It's also great for land sup paddling. Be creative, happy skating. Number 3. Standard skateboards for beginners, kids, boys, girls. About this item, easy to ride 31 complete skateboard with poo flashing wheels. Will light up when you use, make you safe when you ride in dark place. An 8-wide non-slip dull polish wooden deck can not only provide more stability and safety for users, but also hold both foot on it. Hold weight up to 224 pounds, which can be suitable for all kinds of people. Stick material 7-ply 31 liters x 8 watts x 4H maple wood. Make the wood deck very durable and can bear 220 pounds weight. Super soft poo wheels. Cut off damping when you riding. Alloy truck. Provide more steady structure for skateboard. ABEC 11 bearings. Make the wheels turn around more smoothly. Pattern. Heat TRANSFER, which was printed onto the board, not a sticker. Make the pattern durable a long time. Poo wheels. It is very cool during the night to make users more safe when riding in the dark. High ribbon poo 4 LED light up wheels with ABEC 11 bearings. Provide more smooth and speed glide. Easy to stop when you want to stop. Just put one of your feet on the ground to stop it. Or you can lean your body to reverse direction to slow down the speed, then stop your skateboard. Present 1 PC carry bag tool 1 PC. Backup bearing 2 PCSD 1. And stickers 1. Decorate your skateboards. Number 4. Skateboard fully assembled with skate tool, boys and girls. About this item, wheels, 52mm, 100 durometer. Hard, white trucks, 109mm. Small size for mini deck, raw silver bearings. ABEC 7. High quality and smooth. Grip tape. Black hardware. 1. Black bolts with silver nuts deck. 7.00 width and 27.75 length. With its classic symmetrical shape, our board is great for cruising and tricks. The maple wood is high quality and gives you the right mix of flex and stiffness. Fully assembled. The skateboard comes fully assembled, ready to ride right directly out of the box. Wood type. Canadian maple 7 plywood. Number 5. Retrospect Z Longboard Skateboard. About this item. Z Longboard. Our freshest longboard nods to the 1950s makeshift backyard longboards. With its classic surfboard shape and feel, Z not only carries us here and there, but transports us back to a time of sun, surf, salty air, breezy days, dewy nights, and reverb-doused hits of yesteryear. Anti-bite technology. Avoid wheel bite at all costs. In fact, put it in the back of your mind. We put ease of ride number 1 by including wheel wells to eliminate grab. Durable 70x 51mm 85 APU wheels with rock finish. High speed and accurate. Precision ball bearings and the ABEX 7 tolerance grate is ideal for high speed and extreme running accuracy, capable of handling all of your adventures. Slick and grip. Enhance your ride with smooth and shock-absorbent 70mm polyurethane wheels, plus a rock finish for superior grip. Stable build. 44-inch artisan longboard made from 8-ply Canadian maple and sustainably sourced bamboo. Forms an infallible hybrid of strength and pliability in Zed's deck construction. It comes fully assembled and ready to ride. All you have to do is get going. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.